I'm Vanessa from ARTFOLK. Today I'm going to show you how to use air dry clay to create a decoration. I need to cross hatch, make it messy. And for these leaves, get my stick and place. Then I might make the balls, placing around in the circle. The last one I'm going to show you is a flower, working all on the same idea, making balls of various sizes, petals, press the edge out, pinch and fold and attach. Connect that to my flower, attach and attach. On the bottom, need to pick the end off and attach. You can imagine going around and round and creating your own pattern. And here's the finished version. Using our stick, just drill, and we just use our ribbon, thread through and tie off. And there I have a handmade Christmas decoration.